guys, it's Freddie-Tech back with another video from CFL-TECH, and we're looking at the Chromecast with the Google TV. And what we're looking at app-wise, we're looking at the DirecTV Stream app because it has been updated this week to show the new layout for the new home screen. So we're going to take a look at this to see how it actually runs and what it looks like compared to the other platforms. We did the Roku platform video not long ago, and also the DirecTV Streams device itself, to show you how it looks and performs. Now we're going to take a look at this now to see how it runs. So we have it open on the home screen. So when you look on the left column there, you see the home icon that is highlighted in white, and we're looking at what's on now. That's what you see when you go to home, and they're going to give you some recommendations to look at and check out. So this is pretty nice, so you don't have to go through the guide. It's another way to look at the guide, but just with thumbnails. And then if you go down, you have continue watching. And then you have sports live and upcoming. Now, this device is running a little slow with the remote response. We did notice that it's a little herky-jerky and not great. So this is something that probably needs to be improved. Now, they've had some problems on this platform in general. We weren't really super satisfied with it. When you change to a channel, it's a little slow loading. The remote will be a little delayed, and sometimes you'll be hitting in one direction and then you go back in the other direction, then it's finally going in the first direction that you selected. There's just some delay, and it's not too good in that regard. We were disappointed to see that it still seems to be like that. It's running okay when you go left to right here. We're going to go into the guide soon to show you how that performs, but yeah, it's a little bit disappointing there. Hopefully DirecTV's engineers will take a look at this in their programming team to see what's going on with the Google platform, but it's a little disappointing there. But let's go ahead and move forward here. Now you have holiday favorites when you go down, you have holiday romance. So really nice during the holiday season that they have these recommendations here. And we have premium movies. If you go down, then you got featured TV, new this month. So we're not going to go through and scroll through all of these, but just to give you an idea of what's under the home heading. So it's pretty nice, and they got reality TV. So categories are becoming really popular now on a lot of different apps to make it easier to find content. We've been doing a few videos on this, showing this on different platforms, and you're seeing more organization because there's just so much to choose from. So now when you hit the left arrow button on your Chromecast device here, the Google TV device remote, you go to guide, and when we go into the guide, let's see what it looks like now. We have all selected for all channels. So we're going to scroll down. It moves relatively good. There's not too much of a hiccup here. Let's go back up real quick and change direction. Seems pretty good. So let's go ahead and just load up a channel real quick and see what it looks like and how quick. See, that's not the channel we had selected, but now it's going to it, and there you go. So we're back in it, and now we're back in the guide. Whoop, see, we hit guide and went right back to home screen. So this is what we're looking at here. It's a little weird as far as a response with the remote. So not good there. It's not super smooth, but scrolling wise looks pretty good. No problems there. Okay, so let's go now and take a look at the sports section. And when you go in there, it shows you all the channels now that have sports on. So they do really well with this because you have all the different genres here. You got kids, movies, and TV shows. Now when you hit the left arrow on your remote, you're going to go into this other sub menu. There's two levels here on the left menu guide. So when you go down now, you have My Library and you have Sports Central. Let's go into Sports Central real quick. Now we did these in the other videos. It should work just the same way. So really not much of a difference. There's more of a performance thing, but also that now this is available to let our viewers know that this new update is available if you have the Chromecast with Google TV for DirecTV Stream app. You want to use it and see what it looks like. Well, here it is. So you have football, you have college football, you have basketball, and then you have hockey. So it's a little slow scrolling through here, to be honest. We're hitting the down arrow. I'm hitting the down arrow, and it's a little slow responsive-wise. So not good there. It needs to be smoother. This is not smooth enough right now for prime time. It looks great. It has all of the features that you're looking for with this update, but it's a little slow. So we're not going to go too much more into this. I think this needs to be updated again. Hopefully they have a fix soon. Now this device that we're using is not very old. It's not that because the memory is full or the processor is bogged down. It should be running smooth. So other apps do run smooth on here. So this is a problem with this particular app. Hopefully they'll get it fixed out here, fixed real soon. So just want to let you know on this update here what we have. And it looks good overall, but a little performance-wise, it needs help. It needs a little update or a little bit of TLC here. So hopefully they'll get that fixed in the next update. But definitely the responsive part is not great. Now up and down the guide is pretty good, like we said earlier. That part's no problem. But yeah, it's a little, going through the guide menus, it's not that smooth, and it's really where it gets hung up a little bit. And even earlier, before we were on video, we were on the home section here, and then when we went to the what's on now, and then we scrolled all the way to the right here to view all, what happened was it got kind of froze up on us and we were stuck, and we had to hit the home button on the remote to get out of the app. So that's definitely a problem. So hopefully they see this update that we're doing here, or this review, and that their programming team gets on this as soon as possible to get this fixed. But I'm sure they would be concerned with this. So feedback is good. And what is your experience? Have you tried the update, and are you experiencing the same problem, or is it running great on your device somehow? Put your comments down below. Overall, what do you like about this new look, or what don't you like about it? And we want to hear your comments, to hear what you have to say, because that's really important with feedback. As far as even the developers of these apps go, they do check out these channels to see what's going on, that have reviews. So your feedback is important to help improve products. So let us know what you think. Hopefully this video was helpful and that you're doing great at the time of this video. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when the next video drops from CFL-TECH. Hopefully you're doing great. Freddie Tech checking out this one. Soon to be back with another. Take care.